64th one, first question will be asked from the chapter 2 only. You can answer all ABC from 64, all ABC from 65th, but you cannot answer AB from 64th, C from 65th. It is not possible. R is greater than 1. Sn formula is A into R to the power of n minus 1 divided by R minus 1 when R is greater than 1. Hello dear students, a warm welcome to one and all. My name is Vibha, Mathematics faculty at Vidhyaashram Pre-University College, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. Dears, in the last session we have covered part D of your first PUC Basic Mathematics Model Question Paper. In today's session, dear students, which is a session number 5, and this is our last session you are having of your first PUC Basic Mathematics Model Question Paper. And what are all the pattern of the question paper or how the question will be set? Here we are having in the question paper 5 parts. Part A will be having 15 questions, you need to answer any 10, and part B will be having 18 questions, you need to answer any 10. Part C will be having 18 questions, you need to answer any 10. 8 options are there, dear students. Very easy paper you are going to have. For 195 marks you have to score only 100, and part D you are going to have 12 questions, you need to answer any 6 there. So 6 options they have given. And then part E, now we are doing part E only, dears. In the last session we have covered part D, you can go through that one. Here part E will be having 3 questions. In that any 1 questions you need to answer. How the questions will be? Like A, B, C part of options you are going to have in that question. Therefore, how part E will look like, dears? Part E will look like this. So, you are going to have part E, answer any one of the following. How many questions are given? 3 questions are to be set. Now, what is the main? 5th main, dears. This you have to note down. And then you have to make a note down of important. It will start from the question number 64. 64 ABC, 65 ABC, 66 ABC. This is all the type you are going to have in part E. It will start from 64 and end to 66. You need to answer any 1 question. Got? Now we'll be moving on to 64th A1. What they've asked, find the domain and the range of the function f of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 1 divided by x squared minus 9x plus 13, where x belongs to natural number. Here x belongs to natural number means you can take it as n is equal to, it will start from 1, 2, 3, etc. Natural numbers are infinite. Here I have taken 3 numbers. If you want, you can take 5 numbers. So here x is equals to 1, f of x is equals to 1 minus 2 plus 1, 0 by 5 is 0. Again, f of x is equal to, substitute x is equals to here 2, 2 squared 4, 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1. So 4 get cancel, 1 divided by denominator is minus 1. If you calculate, 1 by minus 1 is minus 1. Similarly, at x equal to 3, f of x is equal to 9 minus 6 plus 1 divided by denominator is 9 minus 27 plus 13. It will be giving you the value 4 by minus 5. If you want, you can take let x is equal to 4 and then calculate. Then range of the function f of x, you have to write this in a flower bracket. This is very important step. Finding the 3 values is 3 marker and writing this step is a 1 marker. So totally 4 marks they are going to give you. Understood? So this is also include, this also a 1 marker it will include from this step only. All the steps are very important in this problem, and this problem is from the chapter what? Chapter 2, which is called Sets, Relations and Function. So chapter 2 called Sets, Relations and Functions. So make a notification of this. So 64th one, first question will be asked from the chapter 2 only. Next question, 64th B. So let us see the question and I'll tell which chapter they are going to ask you. They have asked the question for the first year, the fixed cost for the setting up a new, what is that? Mobile phone showroom is rupees 3 lakh, and then the variable cost for producing a mobile phone is rupees 20. Remember, variable cost is rupees 20. The company expects revenue from their sales to be rupees 270. Find the cost function. This is 1 marker. Revenue function 2 mark. profit function 3, break-even point 4, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4 marker you are going to ask. So here, this will be the answer. First, let us know from which chapter they have asked. Here, they have asked from chapter linear function. Okay, linear function. Linear function. This chapter they are going to ask 64th B question, and C of x is, you are going to take, let the cost be x units. So C of x cost function is 70x plus 3 lakh. Revenue function, they are expecting their sales must be per unit 270 rupees. So 270 into x, that is what revenue function. And then P of x is equal to R of x minus C of x, which is nothing but 270x minus 70x plus 3 lakh. If you multiply minus sign, 270 minus 70 is 200x minus 3 lakhs. For BEP, for the fourth one, P of x is equals to 0. So therefore, if P of x is 0, R of x is equals to C of x. So 270x is equal to 70x plus 3 lakhs. If you take 70x that side, 270 minus 70 is 200x. If you divide 3 lakh by 200 gives you x is equals to 1500 BEP. Therefore, which is a loss, because you are having 1500 add as a break-even point, which is lesser. So therefore, x is equals to 1500 units. The company will suffer a loss. Understood? This is what they have asked you to calculate, dear students. You understood? We'll move on to the next question. 64C1, from which chapter they have asked, find the number of digits in the integral part of 3 power 20, where log 3 they have given it as 0.4771. This is very easy. This is from the chapter logarithms. So chapter 4, logarithms. Okay. I am going to take, let x is equal to 3 power 20, and then taking log on both the side, log x is equal to log 3 power 20. So this is according to log m power n. Log m power n can be written as n log m. Okay, n log m. So n value takes you 20, m value takes you 3. So 20 log 3 value already they have given it as 0.4771. Multiply that, you are going to get this value 9.542. But here 9 is called as a characteristics. What is called? Characteristics. Okay, and after 9, decimal points are all called mantissa. These three numbers are going to be called as, mantissa. This you have to make a note down. Now they have asked you to find out the number of digits. Take the characteristics, whatever they have given, add 1 to that one. That becomes number of the digits. That's what. See, as the characteristics is 9, number of digits is 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. This is what the answer you are going to have. This is for a 2 marker. Okay. So this how you are going to answer from the chapter 4 logarithms they are going to ask. I hope you understood them. Once again, I am going to remember. Here 64th question, option A will be asked from chapter 2, sets, relations and functions, and option B will be asked from the linear function. Option C will be asked from the chapter 4 logarithms. Now we'll be moving on to the next question, what they have asked, 65th one. You can answer all ABC from 64th, all ABC from 65th, but you cannot answer AB from 64th, C from 65th. It is not possible. So here 65th A they have asked, find the sum of the series to n terms, 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus etc. The given sum I am going to take it as, let Sn is equal to, same question, and then I am going to take 5 outside. If I take 5 outside, 111, 111, why? I want to make in the form of 10 minus, so that here 5 will be cross multiply. Sn divided by 5 is 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus etc. Now multiply both by 9. Why? Both the side by 9. If I make it as 9, this one, 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. Similarly, 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. 100 can be written as 10 squared. That is what my next step will be. Multiply by 9. 9 Sn divided by 5. 9. 99 plus 999. 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. 99 can be written as 10 squared minus 1. 999 can be written as 10 cube minus 1000 minus 1. Now I am going to rearrange the terms. First I am going to arrange what it is, So 10 separately, 10, 10 square, 10 cube. Again, minus 1 is there. See, you can see minus 1. I'm going to take minus sign common factor. In the bracket, I'm going to write 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus etc. How many times of 1? You are having n times of 1. So this is according to the form of a GP. First term is nothing but A is equal to 10 and next term is 100 by 10 is equal to 10 is greater than 1. When r is greater than 1, Sn formula is a into r to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 when r is greater than 1. So that formula I have used here, which is a into r to the power of n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1, which is 9, minus number of terms of 1 is n number of terms. Now you can cross multiply 9 by 5 to the right hand side. 5 will come to the numerator, 9 will come to the denominator, and you can write as it is this one. So this is going to be known as the sum to n terms of the 5 plus 55 plus 555, where n belongs to what? Natural number. So this you have to write it for what? 4 marker. This is from the chapter 5 progression. So therefore they are going to ask you 64th option A question from the chapter 5 progressions. This you have to note down. Next question, option B, find the value of k if the lines 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0, 3x plus 4y minus 7 equal to 0 and 5x plus 8y plus k equal to 0 are concurrent. Find the point of concurrency and also find the value of k they have asked in the first only. So here let us solve these two equations. Okay, that is very important step. What is that? 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. Solving these two equations gives you some x and y value, that is called point of concurrency, and substituting that x and y value in the third equation gives you the value of k. That's it dears, that's what I have done in this. Now coefficients are not same. Multiply this by 3 and multiply this by 2. Now 3 2s are 6x plus 3 3s are 9y minus 3 5s are 15 equal to 0. Correct. Next 2 3s are 6x, 2 4s are 8y. Again 2 7s are 14 equal to 0. You can subtract these. If you subtract this one, you are going to get the answer. 6x and 6x will get cancelled. 9 minus 8y is y. Minus 15 minus 14 is minus 1 equal to 0. Otherwise, y is equal to 1. That's what we have found out here. Y is equals to 1. Next, finding the x value. Take any one of the equation. 2x can be written as minus 5 come to this side plus y. 3y comes to this side minus 3y. So 2x is equal to 5 minus 3 into 1. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So 2x is equals to 2 means 2 will get cancelled. X is equals to 1. That is what here. X is equals to 1 and y is equal to 1 is a point of concurrency. Substituting that x and y value in the third equation, which is 5x plus 8y plus k. Substituting that 5 into 1 plus 8 into 1 plus k equal to 0. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 taken to that side, it will become minus 13. So k is equal to minus 13 is the value of that. Okay. Now you got how to solve. This is for a 4 marker and this step is also very important. Got? Now this is from the chapter which one? Straight line. So chapter 17. This is from the chapter 17, straight lines. Okay. So we'll move on to the next question. So option C of 65th one, the average age of a 10 students is 6 years. And then the sum of the ages of 9 of them is 52 years. Find the age of the 10 students. Here student I'm going to take it as a boy. Okay. Or you can take it as a girl or a student itself. Now the sum of the ages of a 10 students, let it be x I am going to consider. And number of boys they have given it is already 10. That is the number of students. And here average age is x by 10. So average age they have given already, it is a 6 years. 6 is equal to x by 10. So x is equal to It will be 60 years. That is the sum of ages of all boys or all students. Now, sum of ages of 9 boys is equals to what? It is 52. So, here let the age of the 10th student I have taken it as to find out y. So, sum of ages of 9 boys is equal to what? It will become x minus y. 9 boys sum of age is 52. X we have found out 60 minus y. Taking to y that side, 52 this side, 60 minus 52 is 8 years. The age of the 10th students or the boy is nothing but 8 years. That's it. This will be carrying 2 marker only. You can do in your own method also. Okay. So this is from the chapter what? Is chapter 10 averages. Okay. This you have to note down. Okay. So this is very important. Note down the chapters which are all the questions they are going to ask you. So mainly you can concentrate on that part only. Now we'll be moving on to the next, which is the last question of your part E, 66A1. Simplify cosecant 180 degree plus theta, sin 360 minus theta, tan 360 degree plus theta divided by sin 90 degree plus theta, cos 180 degree minus theta and tan of minus theta. You know already in 180, 360, 360, in 180 and 360, sin will be sin, cos will be cos, tan will be tan, cosecant will be cosecant, secant will be secant. But in 90, sin will change it to cos, cos will change it to sin, tan will change it to cot, cot will change it to tan. Correct? That you have to remember. I am writing here. In case of, what is that? 90 and 270. Okay? 270. Here all are positive. Here sine and cosecant because reciprocal of sine. Here tan and cot. Here cos and secant. Reciprocal of cos is secant. ASTC. All students take coffee. Like that you can remember. That is what we are going to have a formula. Simple formula to remember. ASTC rule. Now here this is 0 degree or 360 degree. Correct? Here you are going to have 180 degree. Now in case of 90 and 270, sine will become cos. Cos will become sine. Similarly, tan will become cot, cot will become tan. Similarly, secant will become cosecant, cosecant will become secant. Okay? And here 180 and 360 degree. Here I am writing 180 and 360 degree. Sine will be sine, cos will be cos, tan will be tan, cosecant will be cosecant, secant will be secant. Okay. Now here accordingly, cosecant of 180 minus theta, here minus cosecant theta, y minus cosecant theta, 180 plus theta falls to the third quadrant. See, 180 plus theta falls to the third quadrant. In third quadrant, cosecant is negative. Similarly, sine of 360 minus theta, sine of 360 minus theta, 360 minus theta falls to the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sine is negative. In 360, sine is sine only. In fourth quadrant, see, 360 sine is sine only. But since it falls to the fourth quadrant, in fourth quadrant, sine is negative. Similarly, tan of 360 plus theta, 360 plus theta, 360 plus theta falls to first quadrant. First quadrant, all are positive. Tan will be tan only. So, therefore, tan theta divided by sine of 90 plus theta. Dears, in 90, sine will reverse to a cos. So, cos theta, 90 plus theta. Sine in the second quadrant positive. So, only it is cos theta. Sine is becoming cos in 90s. In second quadrant, since sine is positive, cos theta we are writing as positive. Similarly, here cos of 180 minus theta. In case of 180, cos will be cos only. Minus y, 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta falls to a second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. So, negative cos theta. Tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. Here, negative into negative will become positive. Negative into negative will become positive. Here, cosecant is a reciprocal of sine. Both will get cancelled and tan will get cancelled. Remaining is 1 over cos theta into cos theta is 1 by cos squared theta. 1 by cos squared theta can be written as secant squared theta. And this is your answer you are going to get. This is from which chapter? Chapter 14. Chapter 14. Standard angles and allied angles. Chapter 14, standard angles and allied angles. So you have to remember, dears, 66th question option A will be asked from chapter 14. Okay. Now we'll be moving on to the next question, option B. In how many years an annuity of rupees 100 amounts to rupees 3137.12 and 4.5% per annum compound interest. So here, as soon as you see this word, it is from the chapter 9, which is called annuity. Okay, annuities. So from this chapter, they are going to ask option B of 66 question. So here you need to remember this formula, which is very important. Future value is equal to A into 1 plus R to the power of N minus 1 divided by R. They have given A value is 100, F value is 3137.12, R is 0.05, 4.5 divided by 100 gives you 0.05. Here you need to find out how many years means N you need to find out. So accordingly, substitute the value here. R will be cross multiplied, A will be coming to down. So 1 plus R to the power of N minus 1. 1 plus R, you can substitute 1 plus R here. Minus 1 when it comes to this side, it will become plus 1. That I have written in the right hand side. Substituting all the values plus 1. If you evaluate all this, it will be giving you the value 0.4117. So 1 plus R to the power of N is 1 plus 0.05 to the power of N, which is 1.045 to the power of N. Taking log on both the sides, this is log M power N, which is N log M. And then cross multiplying this to the right hand side, it will be giving you log 2.4117 is 0.3823 and log 1.045 is 0.0191, which will be giving you 20 years. This is a number of years which will be asked for a 4 marker. And this is from which chapter? Chapter 9, annotations, they are going to ask it. Okay. I hope you got this. Now we'll be moving on to the option C, which is the last option of your 66th question. What they've asked, the HCF of two numbers is 16 and their LCM is 160. If one of the number is 64, find the other number. Yes, your guessing is right. This is from the chapter 1, number theory. HCF and LCM you are going to find out there only. So chapter 1, number theory. Okay, number theory. So you know the formula, HCF into LCM or LCM into HCF is equal to A into B, which I want to find out the number that I am considering as A. So given number I have taken it as B. If you want, you can make it as ulta. You can take the given number as A, finding B. Okay. So substitute LCM is 160, see, and then HCF of two numbers is 16. So 160 into 16 is 2560. I want to find out A into other value they have given it as 64, that is I have written A into 64, cross multiply 2560 divided by 64 gives you the value A is equal to 40. That is the value of the other number. So this type of question they are going to ask it from number theory of option C, 66th one. I hope you understood all the sessions which I have done till now. So please do watch from part A till part E, dear students. You are going to get most of the questions, that is from 30 to 40% of the questions you are going to expect from this model question paper only. I hope you watch all my session, dear students. Thank you, dears. Have a nice day.